Welcome to this 15-minute Vinyasa flow practice. Let's begin in child's pose, forehead to the mat. Maybe take this time to set an intention, make space for someone, or set a goal for this practice. Next, inhale to table, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, drop the belly, gaze up for cow. Exhale, navel to spine, gaze down for cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, rounding through the spine for cat. Continue flowing with the breath here. Next, inhale, tuck the toes, send the hips up for down dog. Walk the knees. Next, inhale, step to the top of the mat, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale to standing, hands overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, hands overhead. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Option to bend the knees here. Step to the top of the mat. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, standing, hands overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, hands overhead. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, step back, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, left leg, three-legged down dog. Exhale, left foot to the top of the mat. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, plant the hands on the mat. Lower, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Next, inhale the right leg, three-legged down dog. Exhale, right foot to the top of the mat. Inhale, hands overhead, high lunge. Exhale, hands to the mat. Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Next, inhale left foot, three-legged down dog. Exhale, top of the mat. Inhale, hands overhead, warrior one. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, right leg. Exhale, right foot to the top of the mat. Inhale, warrior one. Exhale, step back plank, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, left leg comes up. Exhale, knee to chest, hover. Go ahead and place the left leg on the mat for pigeon. Hips are square here. Option to rock it out. Rest here or take your fold. Release. Tuck the toes. Inhale, send the hips up for three-legged down dog. Exhale, release the right foot to the mat. Bend the knees here. Inhale, right leg, three-legged down dog. Exhale, hover the knee to chest. Release the leg to the mat for pigeon. Hips are square. Option to rock side to side. Rest here or take your fold. Inhale, release. Tuck the left toes, engaging the core. Draw the right leg up, three-legged down dog. Exhale, release to mat. Drop the knees, child's pose. Draw the hands to your sides. Allow the hips to sink here. With each exhale, releasing any tension within the neck and shoulders. On an inhale, slowly roll up one vertebrae at a time. Inhale, hands overhead. Exhale, heart center. Namaste.